Welcome to discover our fully automatic perfume filling machine, designed for efficient filling and crimping of perfume glass bottles. Bottles are automatically fed into the machine via the conveyor belt, eliminating the need for manual intervention and greatly improving production efficiency. The machine precisely controls the filling volume each time, ensuring every bottle of perfume meets consistent quality standards. The fully automatic cap feeding system efficiently installs the caps without the need for manual operation, ensuring stability and efficiency. The crimping system ensures the caps are securely sealed, enhancing product quality and effectively preventing leaks. The smart control panel simplifies the operation process, allowing users to easily adjust parameters to meet various needs. From filling to crimping, the entire process flows seamlessly, bringing unprecedented efficiency and stability to your production line. Choose us to enhance your productivity and ensure perfect quality in every bottle of perfume.